வீக்கெண்ட் ரசிகர்களே, பல்வேறு மனிதர்கள் பல மாநிலங்கள்ல இருந்து பல விதமான விஷயங்கள் நம்ம கிட்ட பகிர்ந்து கொண்டு வருகிறார்கள். பல நாடுகள்ல இருந்து பல மனிதர்கள் நம்ம கிட்ட இந்த லாக்டவுன் சமயத்துல நடக்கக்கூடிய நிறைய நல்ல விஷயங்களை நம்ம கிட்ட பகிர்ந்துட்டு வராங்க. இன்னைக்கு தமிழ் அதிகமா பேச முடியாட்டியும் எங்க கிட்ட கண்டிப்பா சில நல்ல விஷயங்களை பகிர்ந்துக்கணும்னு சொல்லி ராஜஸ்தான் மாநிலத்தில இருந்து நமக்காக கௌரி பிர்லா வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம் சார்.
வணக்கம். Very happy to see you in our program We Connect One India.
Thank you, sir.
How is Jodhpur?
It's all set up, but sir, it's still some problems are coming related to social distancing and lockdown because people are not taking it as seriously it should be taken. It's a serious issue. But
okay.
People they don't use masks. They are roaming on the two-wheelers without any reason, without purpose on the roads. And
okay.
Police inspector they didn't even deal with it so seriously. And
okay.
Once I remember, sir, we were in a car, me and my father. I was sitting in the front seat, and police uncle, he just cut the challan because I was sitting on the front seat. So sometimes he just notices and sometimes he doesn't. So it's not that clear.
Okay, the strict rules and regulations are not 100% strict. So they are giving lots of chances to the people to spread corona very easily.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the political scenario there? Mr. Ashok Gehlot has been facing lot of troubles inside the party also, and lot of problems has been faced. What is happening actually?
Yes, sir, that Pilot and Ashok Gehlot, because according
Mr. Sachin Pilot has created a new team of members, right?
Yes, sir. According to Sachin Pilot, Ashok Gehlot is not providing all the complete information about coronavirus and the patients. So this is something there within party problem, and so it's not sure that.
Okay, how are the people affected because of the party problem, which is happening in between them? How are the people affected there overall? What is the mindset of the people?
There is nothing as such because people are leading the normal life and nothing like no conflicts and nothing nothing on roads. So
okay.
Everything is fine.
Mr. Kapil has been posted a tweet that the situation is very bad about the party, and Mr. Kapil has given a lot of statements about the total government. What is the people supporting to which party right now? Who is the majority there in Jodhpur?
Majority, it's not such a serious issue in Jodhpur. At least in Jodhpur, nobody is facing, giving it importance because everybody is busy in facing coronavirus to protect themselves from coronavirus. So the dispute between this Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot, it's nothing a serious issue here.
Okay, regarding the immunity, Rajasthan people have different kind of food varieties. What is a particular variety of food that you people prefer for the increasing of immunity?
If I personally say, I eat Chyawanprash and that kada something which is Giloy and something.
Chyawanprash and another thing. What you said? I didn't get you.
Kada juice, something boiled water with long cloves and cardamom. So
okay.
Tulsi.
Okay. So Tulsi. Everything mixed. Okay, everything mixed together in boiled water. You have it. Okay. Anything particularly people from the government? Any prescription given or anything especially allotted for the people?
Anything allotted? It's not something like that because here people they believe in quarantining themselves in their homes. There is not so much crowd in hospitals. So
okay.
It's manageable.
So self-quarantine is the major thing happening there, Jodhpur.
Yes.
So death rate is also very less in Jodhpur. Am I right?
Yes. In the whole Rajasthan, it's less than 2%.
Fantastic. So missing the school, missing the colleges, and everybody doing the Zoom video call, different video conferencing. How is the mental stress and mental ability of the kids over there?
Mental classes are going on as usual, as it used to be on, but it's going on Google Classroom.
Okay.
So there's nothing as such different, and it's
But
going
I can
on.
see the smile in your face when I say the schools are not there, colleges not there. I can see the smile on your face.
No, but we really miss our friends in school.
Uh,
So
okay, what is the major business of Jodhpur which is missing and which is been totally eradicated in this lockdown moment?
business, the many businesses which because nowadays only two, three businesses are at the peak. The
Okay,
like general stores and milk and the necessity, the goods which we really need,
basic necessity are
basic necessity.
always available. Which is the major thing,
Yes,
which is major core business of Jodhpur which is missing?
handicraft business.
Art and craft.
Handicraft. This is something really, people export. This is a major export,
Okay,
handicraft, and so people are facing problem because there is no business of handicraft at least now. So because
okay.
labor is missing, the major problem is labor is not there. They are just moved to their respective villages, and so the major problem is of labor.
Okay. So the people below the poverty line, what is the government taken steps for the poverty line people who are struggling a lot?
The
Is the government have taken several steps to deposit any cash to them to their account or provide free rice, sugar, or atta or any kind of things happening by the government?
at the from the side of government, it's not so much. Our government couldn't make a wide reach to all the people who are below poverty line, but
Okay.
thankfully we have those private institutions which
Ah,
provide basic meal, two-time meal a day to the all the possible BPL persons who are below poverty line. We have
okay.
like RSS, Apna Ghar, Ashram, and many like those small. So on an average per day, they provide 50 to 60,000 people per day. They are providing meal, two times meal a day,
Fantastic.
and hmm.
Gauri Birla, what is the family situation for the women who is working there, women who are always inside the home, homemakers? What is the stress and pain what they are facing there? Because Rajasthan women already they are busy with a lot of engagements in agriculture and their home needs. What is the
uh,
scenario right for the women who are at home right now in Rajasthan?
they are facing problem because in some families, women are only the basic earners, the family
Uh,
earners,
the basic
and there is
breadwinner of the family is women in Rajasthan, right?
so those small families like are made, and so there is no contribution by the side of her husband, but she's the only earner, and we ourselves we don't allow her to just come and clean to do the work which is allotted to her, but she is facing problems. We have paid her half salary per month so that
Very
she
good.
can just she has some help, financial help to just she has 6 children to feed her soul.
Okay. We, the people of India, particularly from different parts of from different states, we all love the handicraft item of Rajasthan and the Rajasthan saris, Rajasthan arts and craft. We all love that. And particularly the deserts of Rajasthan and the camel rides and the people of different kind of living, we all love that. And you have given a lot of inputs about Rajasthan and Jodhpur city. Thanks a lot for sharing all your views today. And anything else, if you want to share in particular to the audience who wants to know more about Rajasthan, anything in particular you want to share?
Rajasthan is very beautiful state, which cherishes the history, which cherishes, a lot more about the kings and the culture. So, everyone should once visit Rajasthan. It's just wow. If you really want to know more about history, so Rajasthan is the best option.
Fantastic. After the lockdown is over, as you said, people of different parts of the state definitely they are willing to come to Rajasthan, and the scenario over there should come to an end, and COVID positive should go away, and all the people should be stay healthy and keep rocking. And thanks a lot, Gauri. Once again, keep up all the updates to our team, and we'll keep you posted. Once again, thanks a lot for participating in One India We Connect.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
हाँ.
you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Good day.
Yeah, you too.